Hey, what's up, guys? James R. Davis Sr. here. I want to come to you live about the advanced training. Okay. Uh, Hopefully, when you join MyEcon, your sponsor is going to get you put into this group, MyEcon TakeOver Team Group. And over here is where a lot of the ninja training is being done. A lot of the welcoming, a lot of very exciting energy is over here in this group, and all the time, folks, it's constant training in this group. Okay, the leaders of this group came into this deal, crushed 30 grand right out of the gate, $200,000 he and his wife in a matter of 3 months, and a whole host of other people doing the exact same thing, being able to make an extra 500 a week, 1,000 a week, 5,000 a week, $10,000 a week, folks. There are people in this company making $10,000 a week. Okay, just the other day they had the Infinity Summit in Atlanta, Georgia, and so, folks, if you're in this group, you definitely want to be a fly on the wall and participate and help welcome and play team. But this particular video is about the training, okay, about the advanced training site. So, of course, you guys already know you have your MyEcon back office, right? In training in your back office. Okay, of course, you got the quick start training, right? And you also have the extradigittraining.com. That's our upline, Brian Bean. Of course, you make sure that you set that up, okay, on the basic training. Okay, get logged into that. Get logged into your back office. Let's go ahead and go there real quick and show you exactly where you need to start getting trained. Of course, how to ship your income is where we all start, but this is just additional training. I want to help you guys get as much training as you possibly can. So you're going to click here to the quick start orientation in your back office when you initially get started. Okay, you're going to start there. And then you got the extra digit training. That's Brian. Make sure you log in back there as well. Create your account, set it up, log in, follow these prompts, okay, these trainings, start all these trainings here. But then for the advanced training, for those of you that want to really learn some skill sets about social media, about Facebook fan pages and all that good stuff, you definitely want to go here and register, okay? Sign up here and get your back office set up, which is already set up for you. All you got to do is just simply enroll, sign up. So I'm going to get logged in here and kind of show you what is back here. Right? It's very, very extensive training. So I'm going to click on this right here. I'm 50% complete. All right, here we go. So, excuse me. Examples like how to get more sales by promoting team webinars. Like every Thursday night, we have a webinar, and you definitely want to plug into it. And if you notice here, my username, okay, is at the end. Your username needs to go here. Every single Thursday, these guys do webinars, and this is the page that you're going to see, okay, and we go live. And if you click here, it's going to automatically go to your opportunity video. If you want to sign up, if the person signs up, it automatically go to your sign up page. Okay, so this is coded to you. All right, but these guys are generous enough to allow us the opportunity to participate on their webinars and invite people to their webinars, and we get the credit. We get to enroll people. Okay, these buttons, like I said, they are coded to you. Another very exciting thing is, look, 2,487 comments. This thing is pretty much live on Facebook. A lot of people are commenting. Prospects are seeing this, and they are flat out impressed. And they mainly get started from this particular webinar. So do not sleep on this webinar, okay? So every Thursday, if you want to learn how to get more people on those webinars, you want to watch that. Okay, quick start, getting started, watch first. Quick start training, join the Facebook community. I just showed you that. Explore the Facebook group. I just showed you that. Know your products. End of lecture quiz. You got to get a quiz to kind of see if you know what you're doing. Okay, set up your business, getting your domain. Of course, you always want to get a domain. Go to GoDaddy.com, get you a domain so you can forward your links there. so you can be easy for you to remember, put on business cards, signs, whatever. Facebook free marketing, how to increase your friends and following. You want to watch that. How to enroll over 50 members via Facebook Messenger by Justin. Okay, very powerful training. How to get more sales by promoting team webinars. Set up step-by-step formula to a successful webinar. Okay, webinar marketing, you want to watch that. YouTube marketing, how to upload your videos on YouTube. Guys, if you don't have a YouTube channel, now is the time for you to set that up. Okay, because you're going to become a financial expert at what we do. If you're going to get the raise, if you're going to prepare your own credit, if you're going to start cash flowing and shifting and investing and all this kind of stuff, then you can teach other people. So you definitely want to create a YouTube channel, post other stories, use other people's testimonials until you get your own. Upload those to your YouTube channel so you can have some content to share with other people. Then Facebook Live webinar archives. Okay, every Sunday night we have a mastermind. This team has a team call every single Sunday at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Then at 9 o'clock Eastern, these guys go live. Okay, so again, they always share amazing nuggets. How to use ManyChat for job postings, mindset for the business, quick start training, Facebook ads, Facebook fan pages. Cortez breaks down the product, team dropping value. Haven't even watched that one yet. I need to watch that one. That's an old one. A few ways to connect with credit repair prospects. Okay, so all of the advanced training is here. Definitely want to, didn't mean just click on one of these real quick and just show you what they look like, because again, it's pretty much everything is video based, okay, tutorial based, and as you can see here, these guys go live and they spend a lot of time on the information, okay, making sure that people are trained properly. And as you can see here, I love the setup. They got the flyers. You can take some notes, write some things down, jot some things down, and really, really, really become a professional at marketing this business and understanding how to market this business. Okay, so this is the advanced training website. All right, make sure that you are registered for this website. Make sure that you are participating in this, and so you can know exactly what you're talking about, folks. You can know exactly what you're doing. So you can get ranked up to EVP and EVP Gold, Platinum, and CEO Infinity and all that, right? So this is James R. Davis Sr. Hopefully this helps. This is the third advanced training site that we have. Again, let me recap. We got the MyEcon back office training. We got the extra digit training. And then we got the MyEcon TakeOver team training. So, absorb it all, folks. I'm telling you, when you master these trainings, you're going to be a beast, and you're going to find yourself in front of the room presenting this information and making a whole lot of money, folks. James R. Davis Sr. signing out. Look forward to working with you guys. Wishing you guys much success. Signing out. Peace.